All right, so I've got the lens over the camera right now. You can definitely see the fluorescent dye, and it does work when it's dry. So you can see it down there on the fan, which is indicating the radiator's got a leak, which would explain some of the antifreeze I was smelling. But nothing down on the side of the block. I wish I could show you all better, but I've been all through this. There is no green. So that's down there where the freeze plugs are. It does light them up kind of cool purple though, but nothing's green. So we're good. We're in the green there, but anyway, so once again, good stuff. I'll put a link in the description for this flashlight with the lenses. It was like 20 bucks on Amazon. Pretty solid product. And then you can really buy any fluorescent, you know, for ACs, oil, radiator fluid, anything. They sell it, you name it. So definitely a good product. As I said, links in the description. Please like and subscribe.